Here's some of the jobs I'll be doing today in my long border, early spring in the Highlands, which I widened last autumn. So I'm starting with a spring tidy, or I guess a post-winter cutback. And anything that's emerged from the ground, like these daisies or this devil's bit scabious, I'll cut off all the stems from last year. Eupatorium, or I think some people call it Joe Pye weed, that doesn't seem to have any new shoots coming out yet, but it does come out a little bit later. I know it's a strong plant though, so I'm just going to cut these stems off anyway. Let me show you some other plants that are also saying peekaboo at the moment. So I've got my candelabra primulas that are coming out. The lupins are well out, looking beautiful, and with the raindrops all over them, they look perfect. This gorgeous Filipendula has come out, and I've noticed next door there are some anemones coming out of the ground. My favourite plants in my garden is Veronicastrum virginicum album. I've got a whole massive big clump of them here, and they all look like they're coming out of the ground already. I spotted some of my Thalictrums are coming out. That one is aquilegiifolium. The geums have been out all winter, so they're still kicking about. Surprisingly, underneath this Epimedium, I've spotted the other type of Thalictrum I have as well, which comes out normally a lot later than this, but I guess he's all protected under here. This is the delavayi type. As well as cutting back, I'm getting in there early and doing some staking. These hoops are for my Veronicastrum. I'm always forgetting to cut back my Epimediums on time. If you miss that early cutting, it begins to flower, and then if you cut it back now, you risk losing all your flowers. But I'm still going to go in pretty hard because it's a hardy plant and it'll come back strong with beautiful, lush little leaves. In his depths, I can see that there is a peony emerging from the ground. I already have this hoop up for it. I can see that my Camasias are beginning to form little heads. I've also spotted that there are some bees. First few that I've seen of the year. I've also noticed that my hardy geraniums have all started coming out. I've got quite a few of those. I cleared away some of the soil from the rhizomes of my irises, so they get nice and so they get a nice bit of sun on them. I gave Hydrangea Annabelle a little bit of a haircut. Been doing some feeding as well. For the geums, which have been flowering practically all winter, I've given them a handful of blood, fish and bones. The roses got the same, but I also scratched in some well-rotted manure around their bases. I know my geraniums will always be working really hard throughout the season, so I give them a handful of blood, fish and bones just now as well. Also used the same feed for all the hydrangeas in this border, and also all of those emerging peonies. I gave all of the evergreens a handful of feed. They must be pretty hungry after a whole winter up here. One of the last jobs I did was plant out some autumn sown Centaurea. This is a black flowered variety. And some autumn sown Aquilegia. Granny's bonnet. This is also a black flowered variety. They've been languishing in the polytunnel, so I thought I'd better get them out now that the weather's beginning to change. One thing that really surprised me was that there are a couple of agapanthus coming out already. This is a little mock orange, it's the one with the yellow leaves. These Astrantia that I've been growing for a couple of years have come out nice and early. They do really well here. And I obviously also went through the entire border just weeding.